Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to use the new certificate to install IPA on iPhone, iPad for free 2025. Now step 1, of course, prepare your device. Make sure you have the latest version of iOS, both for your iPhone and iPad. Ensure you have the stable Wi-Fi connection. I really suggest you have a strong or stable connection for this one since these are going to be IPA files. Now download the IPA file you want to install from a trusted source. Do not download cracked or modified apps from unsafe sites. I want to highlight this one, these two right here, trusted and unsafe sites. I'm going to teach you a way to know if it's trusted or safe by going to VPN checker. For example, I have case sign here, as you can see right there. I'm just going to download or copy the link of any link here, for example, because there are a lot of links for the download case sign, right? So I'm just going to click on link checker because it has file and link as well. So paste it right there, and VPN Nord will analyze this link. It will tell you if it's safe or no. Either way, make sure you check on them before downloading. Going back on the tutorial, step 3, use a signing tool with a new certificate. Recommended tools in 2025 include sideloadly and AllStore. Using sideloadly, basically connect your iPhone via USB, open sideloadly, and drag the IPA file into the interface. Enter Apple ID and click Start. When prompted, of course, enter your device passcode. Now trust the certificate by going to Settings, General, and VPN Device Management. A quick conclusion, guys, or disclaimer. VPN device management will always be your go-through if you're attaching external files on your device. So tap on the developer profile under Enterprise App, trust your Apple ID, of course, and confirm again by tapping Trust in the pop-up. Now launch the app. Basically, for this one, go for Untrusted Developer. And basically for that one, if it crashes on the launch, repeat the signing process or try another tool since I gave you two tools here, right? Now going back, step 6, renew the certificate every 7 days since this is a free account, and basically resign every week or 7 days. Bonus tip, install AllStore on your device, connect your device to your computer once a week. Alt server will refresh the certificate automatically. You don't have to renew it manually. Just basically use alt server. Okay? And basically that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.